The Architecture, Engineering, and Construction Compliance Checking and Permitting Ontology, or AEC3PO, is a semantic knowledge model developed to streamline compliance processes in the construction industry. It represents regulations and building codes in a machine-readable format. In the rapidly evolving construction sector, existing compliance tools often operate in silos, leading to inefficiencies. AEC3PO addresses this by providing a unified framework that enhances automation and consistency across different projects and regulatory environments. AEC3PO integrates various compliance aspects, from document modeling to verification reporting. It uses the RASE methodology, Requirement Application Selection Exception, to semantically mark up regulatory text, making it comprehensible and operable by both humans and machines. AEC3PO's practical utility is demonstrated through its application in Finnish CO2 emissions regulations. By automating data capture and assessment, it transforms compliance checking into a more integrated, efficient, and digitally advanced process. AEC3PO sets the foundation for future advancements in the construction industry, including the development of a domain-specific rule language. Its comprehensive approach promises to enhance precision and efficiency in compliance management, paving the way for a more collaborative and transparent sector.